Good day, sir, and fellow classmates. Today, we gather to discuss and present our assigned topic, the importance of the collision regulations to the attainment of the safety of navigation of ships. This presentation aims to delve into the significance and importance of collision regulations in ensuring the safety of navigation and preventing accidents at sea. Through this discussion, we hope to gain a deeper understanding of the role that collision regulations play in promoting safe and responsible maritime practices. Number 1. Prevention of collisions. The primary importance of collision regulations is to prevent collisions between vessels. By establishing clear rules for navigation, vessels can avoid each other and reduce the risk of accidents. These regulations provide guidelines for vessels to follow in various situations, such as meeting, crossing, or overtaking other vessels. By preventing collisions, vessels can also prevent damage to property and the environment. Overall, collision regulations play a critical role in preventing collisions and ensuring safe navigation. The primary importance of collision regulation is to prevent collisions between vessels, ensuring the safety of life and property, and protecting the environment from damage caused by oil spills and other pollutants. By establishing clear rules for navigation, collision regulations provide guidelines for vessels to follow in various situations, such as meeting, crossing, or overtaking other vessels. So, ang main goal sa collision regulations is para ma-aware sila kung malikayan nila ang possibility nga magbangga sa ubang barko nga ilahang ma-encounter sa dagat pinagi sa pagsunod sa rules for navigation. Kani nga regulation is maghatag og instruction sa mga barko ug unsay buhaton. Example, para kanina ako ang iba sa kanang mag-meet ang mga barko na mo crossing ug naay mo overtake sa mga barko para ma-prevent ang damage sa ships, buildings o sa dagat. So, ang collision regulations is importante kayo para malikayan ang pagkabangga sa mga vessels ug masigurado nga safe ra sad ang ilahang pag-navigate sa mga barko.
2. Standardization of navigation rules. Collision regulation standardized navigation rules, ensuring that all vessels follow the same guidelines. This consistency promotes safe navigation practices globally, reducing the risk of accidents caused by confusion or miscommunication. Standardized rules also facilitate international cooperation and trade as vessels from different countries can navigate safely and efficiently. Furthermore, standardized rules enable vessels to respond appropriately in emergency situations. By the standardizing navigation rules, collision regulation enhance safety and efficiency in maritime navigation. The navigation rules are much like the rules of the road on the highway. They establish a consistent way to navigate safely and avoid collision. When two boats are crossing paths or on course to meet head-on, or when one boat wishes to overtake another, can tap the start button below. To begin scrolling the script, drag the switch slide to adjust the scrolling speed. You can also drag to scroll the script manually.
Number 3. Reduction of maritime casualties. By preventing collisions, collisions regulation contribute to a reducing in maritime casualties, including loss of life, injuries, and damage to vessel and the maritime environment. Maritime casualties can have severe consequences, including loss of life, damage to property, and environmental pollution. Collision and regulation help mitigate the risk by providing guidelines for safe navigation. By reducing maritime casualties, collision regulation promote a safer and more responsible maritime industry. Ultimately, the reduction of maritime casualties depends on effective implementation and enforcement of pollution regulation. So the pollution regulation helps ships avoid incidents of sea. Following rules, ships and prevent crashes which of reducing injuries, loss of life and damage to ship and environment. This makes the maritime industry safer for more responsible. However, these benefits only happen if the rules are properly followed and enforced. Thank you.
Number 4, protection of the environment. Collision regulations help prevent accidents that can lead to environmental pollution, protecting marine ecosystems and preserving the health of our oceans. Effective implementation and enforcement of these regulations are critical to protecting the environment and promoting sustainable maritime practices. Why? It will prevent oil tank damage that might lead to oil spills that will damage the marine life and ecosystem. Furthermore, it is one of the ways in protecting marine biodiversity by preventing destruction to the habitats in the ocean. By protecting the environment, collision regulations contribute to a healthier and more sustainable planet.
Number 5, enhancement of safety navigation. Collision regulations promote safe navigation practices, including maintaining a proper lookout, using navigation aids, and following traffic separation schemes. These regulations enhance the overall safety of navigation and reduce the risk of accidents by providing guidelines for safe navigation. Collision regulation helps vessels to navigate safely and efficiently. Effective implementation of enforcement of these regulations are critical to ensuring the safety of navigation. By exchanging the safety of navigation, collision regulations promote a safer and more responsible maritime industry. So ang pag-enhance sa safety navigation may tungod ni sa mga regulations sa collision regulations nga nagpalig-on sa safety nga pamaagi sa pag-navigate, including sa pagmintinar og maayong pagbantay o proper lookout, sa paggamit sa mga navigation aids like radar o pagsunod sa mga traffic separation schemes. Kini nga mga regulation makatabang kini sa pag-reduce sa mga aksidente o maghatag og guidelines aron ang mga barko makalayag nga safety.